Let me ask you something. Do you dream of living a wealthy lifestyle but feel stuck because you don't have money to invest? What if I told you that the path to financial freedom doesn't always require deep pockets? You see, the world is changing fast. Opportunities to make money are everywhere if you know where to look. But here's the kicker. Time is your most valuable asset, and every second you waste doubting yourself is a second someone else is seizing their dreams. So grab your focus and let's dive into great ways to make money without investment. Because the only thing you need to invest today is your ambition. Let's go. First up, freelancing. And before you roll your eyes thinking it's overcrowded, hear me out. Companies need people like you. Writers, graphic designers, video editors, or even folks with basic organizational skills. The demand for freelancers has skyrocketed with platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Here's the beauty. Your skills are your currency. No fancy degrees or upfront costs required. Just take what you already know. Yes, even those TikTok editing skills, and monetize them. And think about this. Every project you complete builds your portfolio. With time, you can charge premium rates. Imagine this, starting at $20 per project and scaling to $200. The potential is limitless if you're willing to commit. So if you've ever binge-watched YouTube tutorials on Photoshop, congratulations, you're already halfway there. Let's get paid for those skills, shall we? Now maybe you're thinking, what if I don't have any creative skills? Don't worry, the next one is practically foolproof. Ever heard of microtasks? These are simple jobs anyone can do, like taking surveys, testing apps, or even running errands for busy people. Apps like TaskRabbit and Field Agent pay you for doing tasks in your local area. Here's why this works. Businesses value efficiency, and they'll gladly pay you to save them time. It's low effort and immediate money. You won't get rich overnight, but it's perfect for stacking cash fast. Imagine this. You're walking out of Starbucks, and you've just earned $25 for picking up someone's groceries. That's the power of microtasks. But hold up, if running errands isn't your thing, the next strategy might sound like it's ripped from a Hollywood movie script. This one's a hidden gem, flipping free or cheap items for profit. Here's how it works. Scour platforms like Craigslist free section or hit up local thrift stores. You'd be amazed at how many people give away perfectly good items just to declutter. You clean it up, take killer photos, and resell it on platforms like Facebook Marketplace or eBay. One person's trash is literally another person's treasure, and your profit margin is 100%. And if you're thinking, but I don't have a car to pick up stuff, just wait until we talk about online-only methods that require zero transportation. But before we get there, let's talk about turning your passion into profit. Have you ever thought about how valuable your knowledge is? Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and even YouTube pay you to teach what you already know. It could be guitar lessons, cooking tips, or even how to ace job interviews. The best part? Once you create a course or video series, it becomes passive income. You're literally making money in your sleep. Picture this, waking up to an email saying you've earned $200 from your course sales. Now that's a wealthy lifestyle mindset. And speaking of passive income, what if I told you there's a way to make money just by using your phone? Stay tuned. This one's for the extroverts, or anyone who can fake it till they make it. Did you know people are willing to pay for virtual companionship? Platforms like rentafriend.com let you get paid for chatting, gaming, or even giving advice. So yes, mom was right. Your people skills are marketable after all. Here's the twist. You don't have to meet anyone in person if you don't want to. This is perfect for making extra cash while socializing from the comfort of your couch. Now, if that sounds too good to be true, the next one will blow your mind because it's all about leveraging AI and automation. Artificial intelligence is the game changer of the decade. You can use free tools like ChatGPT to write articles, create social media content, or even draft resumes for clients. Or how about using Canva's AI to design logos and Instagram graphics? Clients will pay top dollar for these services, and you don't need to be a tech wizard to use them. The world is moving fast, and those who embrace AI now will have a massive head start in the race to financial freedom. And speaking of races, let's talk about building speed with strategies that grow exponentially. Imagine earning a commission every time someone buys something through your link. That's affiliate marketing. And no, you don't need a massive following to get started. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or promote digital products on platforms like ClickBank. You can share your links through blogs, TikTok videos, or even by sliding into conversations naturally. Here's why this works. You're leveraging other people's products while earning money with zero upfront costs. Now that you know the power of promoting others' products, Let's wrap up with one of the simplest strategies to stack your cash. Did you know you can rent out digital space, like starting a blog or YouTube channel? Google AdSense pays you for ad placements, and over time, your earnings snowball. The earlier you start, the sooner you'll build a passive income machine that pays you month after month. You now have 8 powerful ways to start making money without investment. But here's the thing, earning more is only half the battle. What you do with that money determines your future. If you want to learn how to get out of debt and free up even more cash to chase your dreams, click the video on your screen now. Let's make financial freedom your reality. I'll see you there.